Dito na kami sa loft. Di na ako nakapag-video. And magde-design na kami. Yes, love. Can I go there later? Binibining may salamangka. May gusto sa ipang.
Ano ko na patutulog?
Ito na ang photo. Love! Happy birthday, my love! Hi, ate! Love you! Hi, Maurice! Love! Malitong happy birthday. Alam ko kayo ng kaunting tour, guys. So, ito, yan yung labas. Yan, sa ibang loft. Ayan yung labas. And then, pagpasok, andyan na yung may mirror, pero it's a bathroom. Actually, nice naman yung bathroom nila. Ayan. So, let's open the light. Ayan, so, here's the bathroom. And ang nice nito kasi this is shower. May another door. Papuntang Narnia. Ayan. So, ito yung door. It's closed pala. Pero, papunta siya sa labas. Sa pool area. May daan doon. So, ito yung living room. It's a loft house. Ayan. So, nag-design na kami ng happy birthday in the little kitchen here. And then, here's the stairs going to the... And here yung mga bed. Diba? So, wow! That's a nice space. Ang ganda naman dyan, ate. You love it?
Oh, yan yung bata.
I love you.
Yun nga pa. Wait lang. And then, here, high ceiling. Tapos, ito na yung pool area. And then, doon pwede magluto. Sabi, video lang ako. Tapos, ayun, yun. And so, ito yung handa ni Morris. Hindi na kami masyadong naghanda ng super dami kasi baka masayang na naman. So, ito yung lasagna and pizza from Greenwich. And then, nag-order na kami ng maha blanca and puto. Plus, yung cake niya na kontis. So, nag-design lang ako ng very, very simple. And then, dinala ko lang yung high chair niya. So, we're good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Papalakpak lang siya.
Ikaw po ba ate?
Ready na! O, kain tayo, kain na. Happy show. Happy ang bebe. Maris! Ay, siyempre ba? Smell naman yan.
Bakit?
Sura?
Water!
Yay!
Nahiya ka. Walang ano yung...
Wala naman ako.
Bakit yung one driver?
So, the kids,
Pinili-guli ko kapatid
kaya
mo.
nga gusto na mag-swimming na kiddo. Happy birthday! Ay, naku, nakakalungkot ka na naman. Hi!
I love you.
I love you. Ay!
Watch me, bro.
Nag-sweet daw siya. Nag-sweet daw siya.
Look at the dog.
Ate, ate, ate.
Happy na.
Mommy!
Hello! So, tuwan-tuwa rin sa tubig. Pinagagagawa ni Mama. Nakita lang nitong lolo niya. Diyos ko, tingnan mo na, oh. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Hala, baka mamaya. Ay! Wag! Nag-swimming ulit yung bata. Nakita ang Momo at Mama.
An hour later.
Sexy Darna. So good. Going down. Let's see. Si Ate Maxine, hindi pa rin tapos ng swimming. Si Ate. Not yet tired. Later after mag-eat. Kasi para amoy usok si Mami. Manindig na si Mami. So. She's awake again. She's awake na. Naghahanap si Mami. Tawag pa rin si Dad. Hello! Nag-cry. Hello? Yay! Can you show them? Close, open, close, open. Paano? Close, open, close, open. Ay! Sumit. Gonna have our dinner. Samgyup.
Well, paglabas mo yung crab stick ha.
Samgyup.
Kala ka ba? Crab stick mo?
And yung fish cake, Dad. Yung fish cake din. Masarap ba yun? Wala pa eh. Ah, ito pala. Hey, ate.
So much fun.
So much fun. And she's eating vegetables. And then, swimming daw siya ulit.
My God. Look, my goggle.
Yeah? What's up with your goggles? Ra. Topak naman yun.
Daddy,
Ra, ra, ra.
I have goggle.
It's dinner time!
Mommy.
Hmm? You're busog na?
You want to sleep?
No, you have to rest muna. Kasi baka suka ka dyan. Rest muna ikaw, okay?
Okay. Daddy.
Meron din siya alam kung may bayad. Kasi ko rin sa mama ano.
Hoy! Love! Love! Love naman ang short. Hi, Love! Hi, Love! Where are you going? Saan ka punta, Love?
Meron kapag hindi kapag hindi senior.
Ano ba naman yan, Maurice?
Senior na ba kayo? Di pa naman kayo senior na.
Look,
Eco Park?
Maxine,
Sarap ba yun?
go to Mami.
Hindi ko alam, madam.
Video kaya, video. Tata daw. Hi!
Walang kasi yung akin.
Yay! Sleepy na si birthday girl. Love you, love. I love you, love. Sleepy na. Tutog na si mama. Love you, love. 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 No more na endless. Good night. Good night. I love you so much. Time check, it's 11:16 and she's still awake. Nauna pa siya ng ate niya. Magigising yan. Magigising. Good morning, ate. Marie's still sleeping. Puyat. Good morning, ate. Time check, it's 8 o'clock. Yan, so 12 p.m. yung check-out namin kaya nag-swimming na kami. Si Modis tulog pa din. Good morning, love!
Why am I wearing my top?
Good morning, my love!
Why am I wearing
It's more na for you eh. Love, good morning, love!
Mommy! Mommy! Hello! Hello! Hello!
Oh, gusto lumayas siya. Mag-go swim na, ya?
Ito may itsura.
Hi, love! Ay, sus. Did you have a good sleep? Yes? Ah, ching, ching, ching! Ah, ching, 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 ching!
Meanwhile,
Bagong views yung lulugan. Here's our breakfast and lunch. Wow! Do not drink the water! Do not drink the water, love! Ate. Later, we're going home na.
No.
We have to go home. Hmm? We have to go home.
Oh, don't drink the
No!
water. Drink that.
Iwan ka dito.
No, I want you to stay here.
But we have to go home
Why?
because other people will use it.
Oh, sige, isa pa.
Yes, baby.
Ito ama mo eh.
Yeah, I'll swim later after eating.
It's breakfast, half lunchtime.
Swimming ka na.
Hey, Sim.
Sige na, swimming ka na. Pero hindi ka una ng water.
Hindi ka na din.
Open mo muna yung egg kung kaya. Di ba yun?
She wanna eat dog.
Hindi ka ng water. Ay, meron pa tubig mo? Ayun, ang tubig na. Sige na.
Yeah, you can sit. Mag-water ka na ba? Ate. Ha?
Drink na siya dito.
Okay. O, sige na. Pero sit down ka lang muna dyan kasi baka mag... sit down ka muna kasi baka magsuka ka ito. Back to swimming.